Hi, I'm Jim Schmidt from NextGEN IT Solutions. Today, I want to talk to you about an essential aspect of internet security, DNS filtering. It's a powerful tool that helps protect your network from online threats. But what exactly is DNS filtering, and how does it safeguard you? Let's dive in. DNS stands for Domain Name System. Think of it as the internet's phone book. When you type a website address into your browser, DNS translates that address into an IP address, which tells your browser where to find the website. DNS filtering acts like a security guard for this process. It blocks access to malicious or inappropriate websites by filtering out harmful IP addresses before you can even connect to them. This way, you and your business are protected from threats like malware, phishing attacks, and other cyber dangers. How does it work? When you try to visit a website, the DNS filter checks its database to see if the site is safe. If the site is known to be malicious or falls into a restricted category, access is denied. This happens in milliseconds, so there's no noticeable delay for the user. At NextGEN, we offer DNS filtering as part of our comprehensive cybersecurity services. It's an easy-to-implement, cost-effective solution that provides an additional layer of security for your network. By filtering out harmful content at the DNS level, we help keep your data and devices safe from online threats. DNS filtering is just one of the many ways we protect your business. It not only blocks malicious sites, but can also prevent access to non-work-related content, helping you maintain productivity. At NextGEN Solutions, we're committed to keeping your business secure. If you'd like to learn more about DNS filtering or any of our other IT services, visit our website or contact us directly. Stay safe online, and remember, we're here to help you navigate the complexities of cybersecurity. NextGEN IT Solutions, your trusted partner in cybersecurity and IT support.